Google just dropped its biggest AI update of the year, just 5 days ago at Google I/O 2026. Gemini got a brand new design, a personal AI agent that works for you 24/7. A morning briefing that reads your emails and plans your day before you've even had coffee. And suddenly, the question everyone is asking is, wait, should I switch? Because if you've been using ChatGPT or Claude, or just ignoring all of this entirely, right now is the moment everything changed. So today, we are doing the honest comparison nobody else is doing. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, same tasks, same questions, no sponsored deals, no fluff. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to use and which ones to ignore. Let's go. Here's where we stand in May 2026. ChatGPT, made by OpenAI, just released GPT 5.5 last month. It's the most well-known AI on the planet. Over 400 million people use it every week. Gemini, made by Google, just had its biggest ever update at Google I/O 2026 this past week. It now has over 900 million monthly active users. That is not a typo, 900 million. And Claude, made by Anthropic, is the quiet achiever. Less flashy, less in the news, but consistently rated by professionals as the best AI for serious writing and thinking. 3 very different tools, 3 very different strengths. So let's actually test them. Test 1. Writing an email. I gave all 3 the same prompt. Write a professional but warm email to a client explaining a project delay. ChatGPT gave a clean, professional email. Good structure, slightly generic. It could have been written for anyone. Gemini gave a slightly shorter version. Easy to read, friendly tone, but it felt a little too casual for some workplaces. Claude gave the most nuanced email. It acknowledged the client's feelings, explained the situation without over-apologizing, and offered a clear next step. It felt like it was actually written by a thoughtful human. Winner for email. Claude. Test 2. Explaining something complex. Simply, I asked all 3. Explain how compound interest works like I'm 15 years old. All 3 did a reasonable job. But ChatGPT used a clear pizza analogy that genuinely clicked. Simple, memorable, and a little fun. Gemini explained it correctly but felt more like a textbook answer. Claude was thorough but slightly too detailed for the prompt. Winner for simple explanations. ChatGPT. Test 3. Planning your week. This is where things got interesting. I gave all 3 my tasks for the week, my 2 meetings, my main goal, and asked each to create a daily schedule. ChatGPT gave a solid plan, logical and organized. Claude gave a plan with thoughtful time blocks, built-in buffer time between tasks, and even flagged that I had back-to-back meetings on Tuesday that might cause stress. But Gemini? With the new Google I/O 2026 update, Gemini can now connect directly to your Google Calendar, your Gmail, and your tasks, and create a plan based on your actual real life, not a hypothetical. Your actual schedule. That is a completely different level. Winner for planning, Gemini, by a mile, if you use Google. Test 4. Research and fact-checking. I asked all 3 about a recent news event from this week. This is where ChatGPT has a known limitation. Its knowledge has a cutoff date, and without web search enabled, it can get things wrong on recent events. Gemini connected to the web instantly and gave me accurate, up-to-date information with sources. Claude, on the Claude.ai interface, also has web search and gave a more carefully worded, balanced summary. Winner for current research, Gemini or Claude. Avoid ChatGPT here unless you enable its web browsing. Now, what do you actually get for free? ChatGPT. Free. Access to GPT 4.0. Web search included. Image generation included. Daily limits apply. You'll hit a wall if you use it heavily. Gemini. Free. Access to Gemini 2.0. Flash. Connects to your Google apps, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, at no cost. This is genuinely impressive for a free tier. Claude Free. Access to Claude Sonnet, which is excellent. Generous daily limits. Web search included. No image generation on the free plan. Here is the honest truth. All 3 free plans are good enough to start. You do not need to pay anything to get real value today. If you do want to upgrade, ChatGPT Plus is $20 a month, Gemini Advanced is $20 a month, and Claude Pro is $20 a month. They are all the same price. Which should tell you something. The real differentiator is not cost, it's which one fits how you actually work. So, which one should you use? Here is my honest verdict, based on real tests, not marketing. Use ChatGPT if you want the most versatile all-rounder. Great for casual conversations, quick explanations, image creation, and coding help. The largest plugin ecosystem. Best if you want one tool that does a bit of everything. Use Gemini if you live in Google. Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive. If that's your world, Gemini just became the most powerful AI for you. The new 2026 update makes it deeply connected to your actual life in a way no other AI is right now. This is Gemini's moment. Use Claude if you do serious writing, research, or thinking work. If you write reports, long emails, essays, proposals, Claude will consistently give you the most thoughtful, nuanced output. Professionals and writers quietly swear by it for a reason. And if you are brand new to all of this and have never used any AI before, start with Gemini. It's free, it connects to tools you already use, and after this week's Google I/O update, it is more capable than ever. The bottom line is this: you do not need to pick just one. Most people who use AI seriously end up using two, a daily driver and a specialist. But if you are starting today, pick one. Use it for a week. And I promise, you will wonder how you ever worked without it. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, because every week on this channel, we break down AI tools in plain language, no technical background needed. And if you want to go deeper, I'll link the next video right here. 5 things you should try in ChatGPT this week that most people have never used. See you there.